Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok account, and then you want to click on the plus sign right here. Right, so here I have 3 minutes, 60 seconds, and 15 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and choose 60 seconds. I want to go ahead and click on effects to add green screen. You want to scroll down and select the green screen with the arrow pointing down here. So you have about 5 backgrounds to choose from here. And if you want to add a background, just go ahead and click on the plus sign here. I'm going to select this one here. So you want to use your index and your thumb to squeeze together and scale the picture and then position it here. So once you're satisfied, you want to go ahead and click on the record button. You want to say whatever you want to say, do your presentation, and once you're satisfied, you want to click on the stop button. To add another video, so you want to go ahead and click on the effects and then click on the plus sign again and then scroll down to select any background of your choice. I'm going to scale this and position it in the middle right here and then click on record. Then you want to go ahead and do your presentation. Remember, you always have to scale, place it before you hit the record button. If you're satisfied, you want to stop the video and click on effects again to add any other background. Let me use the same background I used at the beginning. So you want to scale it here as well using your index and your thumb, right? You want to scale. I think I'm going to leave this one in the middle here. If you're satisfied, you want to go ahead and hit the record button. You want to go ahead and preview your video. Once you're satisfied, you want to go ahead and click on next. And once you're satisfied with everything, you want to go ahead and click on post. I don't want to post this on TikTok. I just want to show you how to use green screen on TikTok with multiple photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.